Hello guys, this is Chocobo Jam and I have here another figure which has arrived today, and this is one of my pre-order from last year. This is from the game Punishing Grey Raven, and this particular character is Lucia Crimson Abyss. So last year when last year I was playing Punishing Grey Raven on mobile phone, and at that time they have announced a pre-order of this figure, which is Lucia. And Lucia is one of my favorite character on that game, especially her design. The very reason why I pre-ordered this figure, because I really love the design of Lucia. I love the color that she has, which is more on red and black also, and her white hair. And she is actually a cyborg, which also specialize in a katana. Unfortunately, I'm not playing Punishing Grey Raven, or I'm no longer playing Punishing Grey Raven, but I still love the design of Lucia, the Crimson Abyss. Okay, so anyway, let us check the box um, first. So this is the front, just some window box, and you can see here Lucia. And this is the top of the box. Oh, by the way, this is from Good Smile. Okay, and then the sides of the box, you can see here the details of her hands, which is a cyborg. She is a cyborg, so that's why she has robot hands. And here on the other side of the box is the a large picture of Lucia Crimson Abyss. Okay, so oh, by the back of the box, I forgot. So this is the back of the box, which you can see the different poses of Lucia um, in here. This is actually a large box. So and this is a 1/7 scale figure of Lucia, so that's why the box is large. Okay, so anyway, I will just remove this figure from the box. Please wait for a moment, or okay. So included on this figure is this manual, which is just a single paper with Japanese writings, and it's teaching us, or it's showing us how you will connect the figure to the stand. So besides this, there's nothing else, no other manual or any kinds of pamphlet. And here is Lucia Crimson Abyss out from the box, and we can see the plastic tray here. Wait, it seems that, oh, here, I hope that this is not, there is no tape here that I need to cut. Okay, it seems there's no tape that is holding the plastic tray, or maybe there is. Wait, just wait for a moment again. Okay, so there are some tapes here. Anyway, it's not that hard to remove the tape. So here is Lucia, still covered with plastic. Wait, let me see. Okay. Wow. Hmm. Let me remove some styrofoam from her hair. There's this styrofoam to protect the paint, or maybe to protect from breaking. Okay, so is there anything else that I see in the figure? Okay, nothing else. Oh, in the back of there is a plastic here. Okay, so now I have just removed all of the plastic that is covering her, I think. All right. I love the detail of this figure. Um, as always, this is from Good Smile, so Good Smile never disappoints, especially with this with their 1/6 or 1/7 scale figure. Their paint is always it's almost perfect, so it is as expected. This is actually a good painted figure. I really love the headset that he have here. It's like she has an horn, and I really love the detail of her design. The hands, there's this different details. The sword, the legs. I'm sorry, it's not focusing. Okay, the legs. Okay. Yeah, I really love the detail of this figure so much. I don't see any imperfection so far, and I really love the color of Lucia with black and red. Okay, wait, let me see the back. I'm also be try to be as careful as possible, because I'm not sure if there are parts here that can be easily break. Oh, I love the detail. There are some writings there I cannot read, but there's something written in there. I love that kind of detail, especially when it comes to androids or robot. These small writings here makes them um, more high tech or more futuristic. Okay, so number in her headset 0000. Okay, and let's check the back here. Yeah, you can see here that her sword is so long, and it's going through on her hair. Her hair is really good also. The paint is really good. I don't see anything that is again, I don't notice some obvious imperfection in the paint. Although yeah, I love the detail here. Let's check her butt cheeks. Her butt cheeks, or even her boots has this detailed here, and her butt cheeks. This she have this I'm not sure if you can say this properly, but she has this stripe here on her legs. Stripes. But yeah, I love the detail of this figure. Her sword is connected through this peg, or I'm not, it's like a cybernetic it's like almost a tail. This is her sword is connected to almost a tail on his back. That's where the scabbard or the sheath of the sword is connected, as you can see there. Anyway, I really love the design. My first impression on this figure is it's almost perfect, or I think it's perfect, not unless that I've seen it. It seems some obvious paint imperfection, but so far I haven't seen any. So yeah, fully satisfied with the figure itself. Okay, so now let's check the base, which is also one of the reason why I'm excited on this figure. Just wait a moment again. So now I have here the base of this figure, and I really love the design of the base of this figure. This it's very rare for a figure, usually for a 1/7 scale of a figure, to have a dynamic base like this, or base with the special with a special look like this. Usually bases are just circle, plain circle with just some random picture or random design, but this, I appreciate the effort that they have made for the base also. As you can see, the base is it's one of the reason why I'm so one of the reason why I pre-order these figures, because I noticed that the base is not just an ordinary base which you can find, or which you can usually find on a 1/7 scale figure. But this one, I appreciate their effort in making a not just a regular base. Okay, so I will now put Lucia on this base. Okay, so I am done in putting her on her base. I'm not gonna lie, when I'm trying to put her on the base, I am really very extra careful to not to force uh, to give to force anything, because I might break, or I'm afraid that I might break something, and it's not that simple to attach her 2 feet on the base. There are actually 3 metal pegs here. If you can remember earlier, that there are 2 pegs, metal pegs here, and then there's one metal peg here, and it's really hard to align them or to insert, especially these two. It's really hard to insert the 2 metal pegs on this part. So yeah, I've been very extra careful while I'm putting the figure on the base. But as you can see, this is a very dynamic base. Her pose is very dynamic. I really love her pose. It's a very dynamic pose. I really love the base. So all in all, I really love everything uh, on this figure. I really love the eyes of Lucia. Let me see if I can focus. Okay, so it's not really focusing properly, but you can see here that the detail of her eyes is very good. So I am fully satisfied. I don't see anything wrong or anything that I don't like on this figure. I'm satisfied with the paint. I'm satisfied with the base. I'm satisfied with the dynamic posing of Lucia. So yeah, I will recommend this figure if you love Lucia, or if you're playing Punishing Gray Raven also on mobile. So yeah, As you can see, the feet is not, it seems that it's okay, let me fix that again. Okay, so I have just also include here 2B, my statue or 1/7 scale figure of or statue of 2B. This is from the Flair manufacturer, and this is also a 1/7 scale figure. Alongside the here just some size comparison. So both of them are 1/7 scale. It seems to be correct scale wise. They seems to have the same body size, same length of feet or legs, I mean, and then same length of arms, same body length or same body size and head size. So yeah, both of them are great 1/7 scale of figure. And if you have played Nier Automata, did Lucia somehow reminds you of A2? I don't have a figure of A2, so this Lucia somehow reminds me of A2, which is the companion of 2B. If you have played Nier Automata, so A2 looks like Lucia also, na long-haired, white-haired, and yeah. So this will be my unboxing of Lucia's Crimson Abyss. This is my latest pre-order that have just arrived right now. If you have enjoyed, I hope that you enjoy this video. So thank you for watching the video till the end, and have a great day to you. Bye.